5 mindfulness and meditation apps to reduce stress. Have you ever wondered why the harder you try to relax, the louder your thoughts get? The constant pings, messages, and open tabs can keep your mind buzzing all day. The good news is that your phone can also help you slow down if you use the right tools in the right way. Here are 5 simple apps that can calm your mind. 1. Headspace is a great place to start if you are new to meditation. The sessions are short, the guidance is friendly, and the steps are simple. You will not feel judged or confused. If you feel stressed today, open a 3 to 5 minute basics or SOS session and do it right after your morning coffee or tea. Pairing it with something you already do makes it easier to remember. For the first week, keep it to 5 minutes a day. Small and steady is better than long and rare, and the goal is to build a habit you can keep. 2. Calm is helpful if your mind races at night. It offers sleep stories, soft music, and body scans that relax your whole body and help you drift off. Think of it as a gentle bedtime routine in an app. Tonight, try a 10-minute body scan and then play a short sleep story or a peaceful soundscape. Turn on Do Not Disturb and dim the lights. It is perfectly fine if you fall asleep before the audio ends. That means it worked. Start your wind down about 30 minutes before bed because your body needs time to slow down. 3. Insight. Timer is like a free library for mindfulness. There are thousands of sessions across many styles: breathwork, loving kindness, focus, stress relief, and more. If you prefer silence, there is a clean timer with a bell. To use it well, search for morning clarity or focus and do a 10-minute session before you open email or social media. You are training your attention first, then using it on your tasks. To avoid scrolling when you are stressed, save 3 favorites: a quick calm down, a focus track, and a sleep track. With those ready, you can start in seconds. 4. Waking up is for people who want to go deeper and learn why mindfulness works, not just how. It mixes daily meditations with short lessons about attention, self-inquiry, and the nature of mind. This approach can help if you are curious or skeptical and want more than just relax. Try doing a 10-minute session every day for 5 days. Then listen to one short lesson. Notice how understanding the why helps you stick to the habit. After each session, write one simple note in your phone. What did I notice? That tiny reflection locks in the learning and makes the practice feel real. 5. Oak is clean, fast, and distraction-free. You open it, pick a breathing or meditation timer, and start. There are no long menus and no extra clutter. It is perfect for quick breaks between meetings or classes. If you want a fast reset right now, do 1 minute of box breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4, then repeat. Most people feel calmer within that single minute. To make it effortless, add a home screen widget that says 1 minute. If you see it, you will use it. Build a daily routine. Keep things small and simple. One easy plan is to do a 3 to 5 minute session after you wake up and another before bed. That is about 10 minutes total, which most people can manage even on busy days. Another plan is the pressure valve. Use a 1-minute breathing exercise before big tasks or right after meetings. This quick reset helps your nervous system settle, so you enter the next task steady and clear. If sleep is your main problem, try a short body scan. Put your phone across the room, turn off the lights, and then play a sleep story or a soft sound on a speaker. This order signals to your body that it is safe to rest. Now, a few mindset tips that make a big difference. First, you do not have to stop thinking. Thoughts will come and go. Your job is to notice a thought and gently return to your breath or the voice in the app. That gentle return is the training. Second, set the scene. Use headphones, sit or lie down with a relaxed posture, soften your eyes or close them, and turn on Do Not Disturb. A calm setup helps a calm mind. Third, if you miss a day, just start again the next day. There is no guilt tax. Consistency grows from returning, not from being perfect. Here is a quick recap to help you choose. Headspace is best for easy starts and short daily sessions that build confidence. Calm is best for nighttime worry and better sleep through stories, music, and body scans. Insight Timer is best for people who want lots of free guided options and a simple bell timer. Waking Up is best for deeper learning about how attention and the mind work, which can make the habit stick. Oak is best for fast, simple breathing breaks that you can do anywhere. Start with the app that fits your biggest need right now: daytime stress, work focus, or sleep at night. Keep sessions short and regular so they feel easy. When practice feels easy, you will keep going, and the benefits will add up. Mindfulness is not about being perfect or emptying your mind. It is about noticing what is happening and being kind to yourself in that moment. Your phone can be a distraction, but it can also be a tool for peace. Pick one app, try one small step today, and let calm become a daily habit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a more intentional and fulfilling life.